So once you have a view that you like to use, you definitely want to save it. Make sure that you're going through and saving the views that you're working on. That way, the next time you come back, you don't have to go through all of those changes, column changes, timelines, and everything else. It's just going to open up exactly how you left it. And the really cool thing about these views is that you can share them with the rest of your team. So I have the basic view, and there's a little edited icon, and I can either reset it or I can save it. So if I like my changes, I'm going to hit save to this view. I'll go ahead and save again. And now the little edited icon is gone. And let's say I remove the impact field. Once again, maybe I'm another team member and I don't like the impact field. I'll remove it. That edited item comes back. If I hit reset, it gets reset. It comes back to where it was before. If I make changes, we once again have that ability to save or reset them. Now, the really great part about this is that if I'm another team member and I don't like that field, I could just create my own view and it'll have the same context, the same information, the same sources. It'll just have a different way of representing the data, which is really cool. So when we are looking at the saved view, I can easily create a new one and say Josh's view. That way it's essentially belonging to me. I can make it the default for everyone, but this is just going to be for myself. And I'll go ahead and save that view as my own. And now if I flip between capacity view, or sorry, I think it was the basic view, and now we have the impact field and Josh's view, which just gets rid of the impact field. And as you go through and things differently, you can change the groupings and everything else. As you do that, it'll automatically allow you to save those changes into your view so that you could easily pull it up and make it your default anytime you're in this plan. And it's really great because you could also have multiple views that are your own or your team's, in which your team can easily go in and see exactly what you're looking at. That way there's no confusion and there's no misunderstanding between what the plans look like, what fields are related, what dependencies are made, and so on and so forth. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot, and if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.